There've been ceremony in our neighborhood for a couple of days, been singing, making, playing all these national instruments, gongs and other stuff. And now it came to the culmination. So now that body is already burnt, and now the people will go in a long procession to the ocean and will let this ash go into the ocean. Looks like I have to go around because the gate is closed, so we'll a little bit rush. And this is my outfit for today. Mask is in my hand, so everything following local protocols. Everybody's getting ready for the procession. why they turning around all the time. Now when all the demons get confused, so then they go. At the moment, this one is Ahmed Beach, and we're moving towards our dive center. Our dive center is approximately, I don't know, maybe 200 meters or 300 meters away from here. And I have no idea where they are going. I think they are going to that area where is Seamount Hotel.
Sorry for the wind, but the nature is nature. Now there will be a prayers, and then later on what they will do, they will just put all that postament into the water. Like I already explained previously in another episode, that the most expensive for Balinese people is to born, to get married and to die. So that's the most expensive ceremonies during their lives. There are hundreds and thousands and hundreds of thousands of ceremonies during their lives, because it's happening regularly, almost, I don't know, I never been counting, but it's a lot of ceremonies every single month. But this tree is most expensive one, and today is one of those days.
That's how people rounding up their lives in Bali. Just for information, this is actually pretty expensive ceremony. It's not everybody can afford it, but just because this family is pretty successful and there is a lot of kids, so everybody puts the money together and they made for their parents the best they can. But there are many people who cannot afford ceremony like this, so then they, well, basically what happens with them, they just do the one big ceremony for all of them, like many person, one ceremony, and that it's cheaper. But the families who respect themselves and they can afford it, they definitely do these big ones, beautiful ones with a lot of attraction. Great, I got an episode for today. Thank you Made's family for that, and my condolences, but I know this thing going into the dying and going into the another world for Balinese people is absolutely different. That's not the same like, for example, back in home, where it's like for any, like for example in our country we say we live once, and that says that it means that this person is gone forever, and that's why there is a lot of sorrow and crying and other stuff. Well, these people just believe that it's only the one cycle of this person's soul, and the person will come back to this world or another world again and will continue developing itself. All right, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. That's our Made, very official today because he's Pechelan. He's the one, like a local police. Proud to have him. Thank you, Made. So you go there?